we got the place all to ourselves. Look at the hotel. It looks like a Legos. Hold on, again. This is where everyone's at.
Monster truck made of Lego.
A Lego eagle. You gotta crank it. Angie?
30 weeks pregnant, carrying all my boys.
Perfect.
Pirates are ready to go. Give me a big
Let's talk about it.
I'm sure right after the river ride, we will be going to the historical botanical garden. Oh, I think maybe the ride. Gates to Cypress Gardens will close 30 minutes.
And the battle rage is on.
You know that? I'm excited by this. Rudy, you excited?
I like those cypress trees.
At first I thought you meant just on the ride, and you're like, no, like right now.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
You counted them all.
Creepy crawlies.
Ooh, hog swabble.
This is a really cool ride because you're in this Lego ship that goes around this little area, and you can shoot people that are
Not on the ride.
not on the ride. Yeah, exactly. But I'm gonna put the camera away because I'm about to get wet. What's this one, Bubba?
We are going to LegoLand, Florida today in Winter Haven. Family fun.
It's a monkey.
My fellow pirate, Calico Jane. She's bringing her ship to help find and count the treasure so we can lift the curse.
Hello, what you make?
What you make?
Want to go on the boat ride?
Yes.
There's my boy.
Right, crew. Sorry about your ship.
Oh, find me another. Good luck, Redbeard.
Now, we need to find and count my stolen treasure. That's right, Pop.
You want to go on the ride? Yeah.
I wonder how many pieces of treasure there are.
Here. Can we put that on there? Thanks, baby. Look at that. What kind of dinosaur is that, Bubba?
A brontosaurus.
Good job.
It sounds like Miss Piggy Reed needs our help too. Let's go.
What sound is that, Brady? Is that a chicken? You want to go ride the train?
Who's that? Fish. Chicken. Ahoy, ship.
Gator. The gator's awake.
Oh, look.
Honey, look. There's a monkey's tail.
How many blue sapphires did you catch?
Are you excited about LegoLand? Dan?
There's my boys.
Mommy, I
Good job.
Tough guys,
Put
huh?
out that fire, boys. You can be real firemen.
Daddy, you were pumping it.
Alright, you gotta shoot at the green dots, okay, Bubba? You got a red laser.
Right behind. I've got a joke for you.
Oh, no.
Knock knock.
Who's that?
Fish.
Fishing.
Bless you. See? Let the crew come on the wind in there.
Little Boy Travel. Follow us on YouTube.